In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add story points to an issue in Jira. Understanding how to effectively use story points is an essential part of project management with Jira, helping to estimate the effort required to complete a task. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently assign story points to any issue in your project. Let's get started. First things first, head over to your Jira homepage. This is your control center where all your projects and tasks are organized. It's a good idea to make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding, as this will ensure you have access to all the necessary features. Once you're on your homepage, navigate to the specific project you want to work on. This can be done by selecting your project from the list available on your dashboard or by using the search function if you have numerous projects. Once you've entered your project, locate the backlog option. This is usually positioned on the left side within the navigation menu. By clicking on backlog, you'll be taken to a page that lists all the pending issues and tasks that you're planning to address. Here you'll find the issue to which you want to add story points. Hover your mouse over the issue you've chosen. This will highlight it, making it easier to differentiate from others on the list. Engaging directly with the issue in this way will reveal several options for modifications and updates you can make. On the right hand side of the issues card or detailed view, search for the story points field. Story points are typically used in agile methodologies to quantify the complexity, risk, and effort required for a given issue. After identifying the story points field, click on it. This will activate the field, allowing you to input your estimate. Story points are often represented by numbers in a Fibonacci sequence such as 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, or 13. These values help teams gauge the workload associated with each task in a standardized manner. Choose a number that best represents the effort needed for the issue you're evaluating. Once you've entered your desired number, you have two options. Click outside the field or select the check button to save your estimate. Saving this data correctly ensures that your team has an accurate understanding of workload distribution and can efficiently plan upcoming sprints. Updating story points regularly is also recommended to reflect any changes in task complexity or team capacity. And that's it, you've successfully added story points to an issue in Jira. By following these steps, you contribute to a more organized and predictable project timeline, ultimately enhancing your team's overall productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep practicing these steps to become even more proficient with Jira's project management capabilities.